Get ready to unlock a world of limitless possibilities with the Apple Vision Pro. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals and interact with digital content as if it were part of your physical space. From gaming to entertainment, the Vision Pro redefines how we experience technology. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate source for the coolest tech reviews and tutorials. Today, we're about to unveil a groundbreaking device that will revolutionize the way you experience gaming and entertainment, the Apple Vision Pro. Get ready to dive into the future of immersive experiences with the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro. This extraordinary headset combines cutting-edge technology and innovative design to transport you to new worlds of gaming and entertainment. Feast your eyes on the stunning visuals of the Vision Pro. With an ultra-high-resolution display system boasting an incredible 23 million pixels across two displays, every detail comes to life with jaw-dropping clarity. Whether you're battling dragons, exploring fantastical realms, or simply enjoying your favorite movies and music, the Vision Pro takes it to a whole new level. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional screens. The Vision Pro's spatial operating system, VisionOS, lets you step inside the virtual worlds of your favorite games and movies. It's like having an infinite canvas where your imagination can roam free. Get ready to be fully immersed, but the Vision Pro isn't just about gaming and entertainment. It's a versatile tool for productivity too. With support for the Magic Keyboard and Magic Trackpad, you can effortlessly tackle tasks, switch between apps, and unleash your creative potential. It's a powerful companion for work and play. Capture and share your most memorable moments like never before. The Vision Pro's advanced camera and spatial audio technology bring a new level of depth and realism to your photos and videos. And with social features like immersive video calls and shared experiences, you can connect with friends and family in ways you've never imagined. Explore a vast collection of apps and content in the all-new App Store, optimized specifically for the Vision Pro. From games to entertainment apps, the possibilities are endless. And with its sleek and innovative design, the Vision Pro offers both style and comfort, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your virtual adventures. Enhance your experience with optional accessories like the ergonomic game controller for precise control and the customizable headset stand for easy storage. Now, you might be wondering about the price. The Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,499 and it will be available early next year. It's an investment in the future of gaming and entertainment that you won't want to miss. There you have it, folks. The Apple Vision Pro, a game changer in the world of immersive experiences. Are you ready to take your gaming and entertainment to the next level? But before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos on the latest tech wonders. And for those of you eager to learn how to make the most of your gaming setup, we've got a dedicated tutorial video just for you. Check it out in the description below. Thanks for watching.